Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Muscletech Nitro Tech. This powerful supplement is engineered to help you build more muscle, improve strength, and enhance recovery. It combines high-quality whey protein with creatine and amino acids, making it an excellent choice for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Understanding its proper use is key to maximizing your results and achieving your fitness goals effectively. For optimal results, mix 1 scoop of Nitro Tech with 6 to 8 ounces of cold water or milk in a shaker cup. Shake it thoroughly for about 20 to 30 seconds until the powder is completely dissolved. You can take 1 to 2 servings per day, ideally between meals and after your workout, to support muscle protein synthesis and recovery. Adjust your intake based on your individual dietary protein requirements. The best time to take Nitro Tech is right after your training session to kickstart muscle recovery and growth. You can also have an additional serving between your main meals to ensure a consistent supply of protein throughout the day. Remember to stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water, especially when increasing your protein intake, to support overall health and nutrient absorption. Before incorporating Nitro Tech or any new supplement into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Store your Nitro Tech in a cool, dry place to maintain its freshness and potency. Always adhere to the recommended dosage and listen to your body to ensure a safe and effective supplementation experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.